Aujourd'hui, on apprend le métier de forgeron dans une vraie forge avec un marteau et une enclume.
My name is Spencer Farrell. I got into blacksmithing a long time ago when I was really interested in knights and medieval stuff. After high school, I bought an anvil. I started making a forge, and I started beating metal into swords and other bladed items. Later on, it led me down the road into becoming a blacksmithing teacher. Advanced blacksmithing, tu peux faire n'importe quel cours, comme des couteaux, des haches, des marteaux, puis on le forge tout à la main, puis tu finis à la fin du cours avec ton projet. To start the fire, you grab your kindling, you light it with a match, you grab a scoop of coal, put the coal on top, and you crank to give it air. You'll know it's the right temperature when you pull your steel out and it's at the color you want. This blacksmithing is the real deal. We're forging everything by hand with coal and hammers made by hand. It's just like it was a long time ago. You heat the metal up, you hammer it into the shape that you desire. La passion de la forge, c'est que comme des hommes de caverne, ça fait des années, on peut regarder un feu toute la journée puis se relaxer, and then suddenly you gotta yank the steel out and beat it into the shape you want, no matter how hard it gets. No matter your strength or your endurance, we'll try our best to teach you the way to forge, just like they did back in the day. Advanced School of Blacksmithing, on invite tout le monde, même si t'es fort ou non, jeune ou vieux, fille ou gars, c'est pas de trouble.